Stop scrolling. You are about to witness the birth of the next viral food craze, Crispy Lava Hummus Bombs. Crunchy on the outside, a spicy, molten surprise on the inside. First, we create our signature spiced hummus base. Drain and rinse your chickpeas well. We're loading this up with bold flavors, rich tahini, fresh lemon, and a generous dose of smoked paprika and cumin. Process until it's velvety smooth, no lumps allowed. Then the critical step, we chill the mix for at least 30 minutes. This firms it up, making it easy to handle later. Now for the lava core. We need cheese that melts beautifully and brings the heat. Pepper jack is the perfect choice, cut into small, uniform cubes. It's time for our triple-layer crunch protection system. Set up your station. Flour for dryness, beaten egg for adhesion, and panko for maximum crispiness. Take a spoonful of the chilled hummus, flatten it, and carefully tuck that cheese cube right into the center. Seal it tightly. Any cracks mean lava leakage, and we can't have that. Roll through the flour, ensuring a light coat. Then the egg wash, draining off the excess. Finally, press firmly into the panko. A thick panko coat guarantees that explosive crunch. Heat your oil to a perfect 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't overcrowd the pot. We want them to fry evenly and quickly. Watch them turn that gorgeous golden color. Once they are uniformly golden, pull them out immediately. A wire rack helps keep them crispy while they cool slightly, but don't wait long. These are best served piping hot. The moment of truth. Listen to that crunch, and look at that glorious molten lava center. This snack is guaranteed to be the star of any gathering. The full recipe is in the description box below. If you enjoyed creating this viral sensation, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.